How to turn on or turn off mobile data saver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. Scroll down and click on Data Usage. After click on Data Usage, you will see mobile data is here. If you want to turn off mobile data, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see mobile data is turned off. If you want to turn on mobile data, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see mobile data is turned on. You will turn on or turn off mobile data saver from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off mobile data saver on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.